Ivan and Heidi are going to be sharing with us about their project in New York. Tell us, what's the name of your project and what do you do?
Sure, it's called Heidi's Health Kitchen, and God created Heidi's Health Kitchen as a means to reach the people of New York City through the health message,
Amen.
medical ministry work, and which we all know is the right arm of the gospel. And so we offer free cooking classes, health lectures, and Bible studies.
Amen. So it's a self-sustaining
Yes.
mission model for both of you as Bible workers.
Yes.
Excellent. Now
Correct.
tell me a little bit about an experience that you had in that program that you're running recently.
Sure. Well, we've had several experiences. We have some pictures to show as well.
Amen.
Just of some of our cooking class attendees. We typically have between 35 and 70 people at a class.
Excellent.
And so this is just one picture, but the next picture actually shows demonstrating a natural remedy. So we include all of that within the cooking and the food demonstrations. And this was a young girl who was experiencing some knee pain. And so I applied a poultice of turmeric and ginger to relieve her knee pain.
Excellent.
And so the next picture just shows a little bit of our team. We are currently working with the Crossroads Church in Times Square, New York City. And we're directly working with the Personal Ministries Department. And it's been a real blessing to be working with the church. Heidi's Health Kitchen is actually part of the long-term evangelistic plans of the Crossroads Seventh-day Adventist Church. So these events are kind of like the bridge events to prepare people and to build contacts and relationships for our next evangelistic series.
So you're using your business with the exclusive purpose of bringing souls to Jesus.
Yes.
So that's great.
And we do get Bible study contacts at
Amen.
almost every cooking class, which is a real blessing.
Amen.
And also if we bring back the last picture, we can see that there's an Asian lady standing at our booth. This was at a vegan food event, and as we sell our products, we also offer free medical missionary activities as well, like blood pressure screening, chair massage, and also some of the natural remedies as well. And this was at Union Square. We were invited by National Animal Rights Day organizer who was in the New Age, but she said that you guys are kind, so I want to help Heidi's Health Kitchen. So come and set up a booth or a table at Union Square for free. And we were able to hand out health literature from which was written by Adventists, like Health and Wellness and Take Charge of Health and Amazing Facts magazine on health. So,
Amen.
yeah.
So tell me a little bit more about this lady that was in the picture.
Sure. So Carol was introduced to me at the end of the Revelation of Hope with Mark Finley and Ted Wilson. Carol had been reaching out to the Seventh-day Adventist Church trying to find someone to teach her more about the Bible. And she'd been a Buddhist for 38 years and a chain smoker for 37. And when I met her, we met at the library in Queens, and her English was very limited. However, we were able to take out a Bible that was parallel Mandarin and English, and we studied the Bible together. And it was just such a blessing to see the transformation that God makes in a person who's searching and wants God in their life. And so Carol quit smoking by God's power, amen.
Amen.
And her life has been completely transformed. She's on fire for the Lord. She is a supporter and volunteer of Heidi's Health Kitchen. She's on our board, and it's rewarding to see someone become a disciple. Recently, before we went to the GC, I had the joy, God gave me the joy of seeing Carol involved in a Bible study, sharing her testimony with another Chinese woman, and it's just so amazing to be working for the Lord.
I mean,
and
that
to
is
see
really
those
the
things.
goal
Yes.
of city missions,
Amen.
is not only to see people won for Christ, but to see the people you won for Christ winning people for
Amen.
Christ. And so that's really exciting. Now tell me,
Yes.
Ivan, a little bit about an experience you're having right now
Sure.
based on that city mission.
Absolutely. Well, this is a little interesting. There was somebody from India who wanted to provide some services for Heidi's Health Kitchen. And we said we are not at that moment yet. And but we told him that we are basing our ministry and business from a book written by a lady named Ellen White. And he asked about the name of the book. I said it's a compilation called The Restaurant Work, and we're using that as a textbook for the whole venture. And then he started reading that book, and later on, he read some of the book which told him that Ellen White was part of some kind of secret societies and things like that. And then he thought I was also part of secret societies, and he thought I was a Jesuit. And then anyway, so later on, as he did some more research, he found out that Ellen White's writings were as per the Bible. She'd never deviated from the Bible. So, and then he said that, I did the research and I found out. And then so I took that as an opportunity to pitch for some Bible studies. So I asked, would you be interested to study the Bible with me? And then since then, we've been studying using Mark Finley's Bible Search for Certainty lessons. So I study with him on the phone every week.
So did you hear that? They're doing Bible studies from their city mission in New York, in India, by the phone. Can somebody say amen? That's called global missions from your home.
Yeah.
It's really exciting. Well, thank you so much for
You're
sharing
welcome.
about that. The Lord bless you in your work there as you continue to work for the Lord there in New York.
Thank you.
Thank you.